if I traded it all. If I
Welcome back. My next guest, he has been on many times this month. Before, I have with me Skylar Pearson. He is the CEO of Fresh Start Body Contouring. Welcome back to the show. I want you to tell everybody, this is so exciting. You have been working on this project forever, and you really came up with a great, affordable way for everybody to get skinny.
Yeah,
and keep
absolutely.
it off. Let's tell everybody what you do.
We've got in-house financing, and we are a CoolSculpting provider. And what CoolSculpting is, it's a true alternative to liposuction. We freeze fat cells.
And they're gone for good.
And they're gone for good.
Which
exactly.
is really... Now, you tell them about you. You know, you're a guy. Mostly girls kind of tend to resonate with this. But you're a guy.
This works for guys and girls. I would say anywhere from the age of like 24 clear up to 80.
Well, tell them about your story.
I've had my love handles done. I've had my abdomen done. And you lose about 20 to 25% reduction in that area. And it's non-invasive. There's no surgery involved at all. You notice results within about 2 to 3 weeks, but the real wow factor is within that 2 to 4 month mark.
Here's the real wow factor. It's really popular, and normally it's pretty expensive, but right now you have made it so affordable, not only for affordable, but you also brought in in-house financing.
Made it really obtainable. That's the real word.
Because here's the thing. Tell them what you need to prove that you can pay for it.
We need 2 forms of payment, so either a checking account and a debit card, checking account and a credit card. As long as there's 2 forms of payment and 6 months on the job, and we can prove debt-to-income ratio. We're not doing it based off a credit score. It's no credit check financing. It's in-house financing, and we carry the papers, so we're the bank.
So they will help you get to where you want to be. And we're going to open up the lines to the audience. And our number here is 602-277-5369. And I'm telling you why I'm saying it first. Get ready to call, because everyone is getting entered in to win a free area, which, I don't know, it depends on what area you do. So it depends on the cost of what it would be. But it doesn't matter. You can try it. And you can see how you like it. And if you like it, you can go further with it. But you can do a tummy. You can do underneath your arm. You can do your neck. Where else can you do it?
Abdomen, flanks, inner thighs, outer thighs.
And
underneath your knee. It's really shocking. I mean, a lot
of people have fat underneath their knees. Go ahead.
There's a lot of different places that you can... Your body can't really hide from CoolSculpting is the best way that I like to put it, so...
And our number here is 602-277-5369. Toll free, it's 1-866-536-1100. The summer is upon us, and if all of you know, you've even just put on a pair of shorts right now, and you're going, oh, my gosh. Now the next step is a bathing suit. Forget it. Right?
Yeah, Mother Nature's come early.
What does it mean? What does it look like? How fast do they see results?
Like I said, you normally see results within the first 2 to 3 weeks, but you see your real wow factors within that 2 to 4 month mark.
And
because your body's naturally getting rid of those fat cells.
You're having a grand opening coming up soon.
Yes.
When is it now?
March 1st. That's next Tuesday.
And where are you located?
6930 East Chauncey. We're off of the 101 in North Scottsdale.
You got to check them out. Their website is freshstartbody.com.
Yep.
And our lines are open here, and everyone is getting entered in to win a free area. It doesn't matter which area you want. I want my tummy, okay? So our number here is 602-277-5369. Toll free, it's 1-866-536-1100. This is for both men and women. You even do children. I mean, not too young. What's the youngest?
24 to 80, like I was saying, average age 24 to 80.
So you can also check them out. Do you do consultations with everyone?
Everybody has to come in for a consultation to make sure they're the right candidate for this procedure.
Right. And tell them this is the other thing that's awesome. I want to go into this right now.
Okay.
Because, and I know so much about you this month because I've really learned so much.
Yep.
You have hired the people, they're nurses or the people who do it. What do you call the lab technicians?
They're CoolSculpting technicians.
They're technicians, but you did something special with them. Go ahead and tell them what you did.
We've put them through CoolSculpting University, which is an extensive training that Zeltiq, the manufacturer, actually puts technicians through.
Right. So here's the thing, that the people that are working with you, you actually paid for all of your technicians to go to that university and learn exactly how to do it.
How to place the applicators the right complementary way. Girls want that hourglass body, guys want the V shape, so they know how to place the applicators the right way to complement. The difference between us and other med spas out there is other people have different machines. We have one machine that we solely focus on, and it's a full art for us.
And now they're located in Scottsdale, at Scottsdale Road in Mayo.
Yep.
Right? And their phone number, they do free consultation, is 602-335-9763. And I'm going to let you call throughout the rest of the show for this. Guys, it's the summer's coming up. I think everyone should want one of these. It's any area that you want to work on, you're getting that. It's a complimentary one from them. Our number here is 602-277-5369, and toll free it's 1-866-536-1100. No downtime. What happens? Tell us how it works. You go in there, they get the plate on you. What happens?
So you go in there. You actually sit down. You get to watch TV after we get the applicator on.
Nice.
It. So it's an applicator cup that suctions in the fat pocket that's bothering you.
Love it.
Puts you between two cooling plates, and it takes the fat cell down to 1 degree above hypothermia. It doesn't do any damage to existing tissue, and so it doesn't hurt tissues or other existing organs. It just fat cells are sensitive to cold, so it freezes them, puts them to a natural death, and then your body gets rid of them over the course of 4 to 6 months.
And you, afterwards, when you are done with that procedure, you go on what? Is something that you shake and it kind of does it, or they do the massage? How do they have to work it out? Just comes out, you just get up and go?
It just comes out naturally. Your body just gets rid of it naturally over the
So you
course
don't
of
have
4
to
to
do
6
anything
months. You don't
more.
have to go on any special diets. You don't have to take any special pills.
And
your body just naturally gets rid of it, and it's literally the closest thing to liposuction.
So you could literally do this on your
lunch break.
And you could go to sleep. It's safe. It's easy. It
Yep.
doesn't hurt. It's non-invasive.
Absolutely.
And it's the coolest thing
It
around
is.
right now. A lot of people are talking about it and doing it, but they've made it different. Not only do they have their technicians that have all gone to that institute that they paid for them to go, so that everyone knows exactly how to do it, whether you want a, what did you say, not a pear shape? A pear shape?
No, we've got the V shape for guys, and then we're talking about an hourglass.
That's
body
it. That's
for
what I was going
girls.
to say. No one wants a pear. But anyway, so our number here, we've got everyone getting entered into win. They're giving you a free area. Our number here is 602-277-5369. Toll free, it's 1-866-536-1100. Not only did they make it affordable for you, they also made it easy to do in payments, because all you have to do is tell them that you have 2 forms of payment. They don't check your credit in any way, and guess what? They carry the paper.
Yep.
So they take care of that part for you too. You want everyone to look as beautiful as you.
Absolutely. That's why I got in this business.
Yes. And you know what? What are some of the things? Tell them what you're going to do for your March 1st grand opening. You have a lot of fun things that are going on there.
A lot of fun things. We're going to have prizes, giveaways, the same thing. And we're going to have, there's going to be some wine, sushi, food, and then there's a presentation about how Cool Sculpting works and what's so different about us versus everywhere else. We do have hours to accommodate anybody's work schedule.
So what does that mean?
We're open from 6 a.m. until 9:30 p.m., and we're open 7 days a week.
Wow.
We have lifestyle hours. They are truly lifestyle hours because everybody has a life.
So say that again for them.
6 a.m. to 9:30 p.m., 7 days a week.
7 days a week. So anytime that you feel like you want to get rid of a little fat forever, you can go into their place. It's at Scottsdale Road and Mayo. It's North Scottsdale Road.
Yep.
And you can check them out on their website. It is freshstartbody.com. You do need to do a consultation with them. They'll tell you a little bit about it as well. Their number is 602-335-9763. Lines here on fire so we can have everybody getting thin for our hot summer here. And our number here is 602-277-5369. Toll free, it's 1-866-536-1100. And everyone gets to choose which area they want to choose to make skinny. What is the what's your final words for today?
What better way to cool off in Arizona than to freeze your fat away?
Oh, I love that one. That's your new tagline. I love it. Say it again.
What better way to cool off in Arizona than to freeze your fat away.
And it is awesome. You know, he's adorable. He has been working on this for I don't know how long. I think I've been talking to you for the last couple of years that you've been working on this.
Yeah.
And I thank you for doing this for everybody.
Absolutely.
Because we all love you for it. Everyone, I'm going to let you call throughout the rest of the show for this. And if it's not you, it's for someone that you know. Whether you're a male or female or as young as what?
24.
24 years old, and you want to get rid of that fat forever. They're offering for everyone to get one part of your body, whichever body part you want, to get fat off forever. Our number here is 602-277-5369.